Court will sentence you to 7 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 7 years. There's a $500 fine. Court is calling 2023 CR 8359, State of Texas versus Jose Diego. How do you pronounce that name? Amescus Zavala. Thank you. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
The attorney of record is Joanne de Hoyos. Joseph states who's standing in. And would you give this judge permission for me to do this plea in place of Ms. de Hoyos?
All right. We have an interpreter here. If you could raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right. You can lower your hand if you'll state your name for the record.
Arlene Abrams, license number 2081.
All right. Mr. Amescus, all of the documents I'm going to review with you are in English. Were those reviewed with you in Spanish?
Yes.
And it's the court's understanding that Attorney Monica Guerrero went over the paperwork with him. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And she's fluent in Spanish?
She is.
All right. Counsel, have you received all of the discovery in this case, and was that reviewed with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Amescus Zavala, did you review and sign the document entitled Application for Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor.
Mr. Amescus Zavala, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers of Admonitions with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of driving while intoxicated, third or more? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you, and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent or was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Zavala, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Defense?
Your Honor, our client is not a U.S. citizen, as stated. He was able to retain the services of an immigration attorney. That attorney is named Mr. Eric Bernal. We had received a plea offer. We put a detailed description, email terms of the plea offer. Mr. Hoyos had spoke with him over the phone multiple times. There's numerous emails back and forth. Mr. Bernal recommended the plea offer that this particular one was actually favored, that Mr. Bernal preferred it. He will be deported. He understands that there's no promise that he could stay here legally. He does wish to have probation. We had discussed with him that technically a felony conviction is deportable by itself. But knowing this, he still wishes to go forward with the plea, and we have permission from his immigration attorney to follow this deal.
All right. Mr. Zavala, did you have ample opportunity to discuss with your immigration attorney the impact this plea bargain agreement would have on your immigration status?
Yes,
Did your counsel advise you of the consequences of pleading no contest or guilty in this cause number and its impact on your immigration status?
yes,
Did your attorney discuss with you possible consequences such as deportation, the denial of naturalization, or re-entry into the United States by entering into a plea in this case?
yes,
And do you understand the consequences of entering in a plea in this case and the impact it will have on your immigration status?
Yes.
yes,
Counsel, do you believe your client understands the impact this plea will have on his immigration status?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Mr. Zavala, did you review the plea bargain agreement with the state? With your attorney, and did you understand it?
yes,
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 7 years in the prison. There's a $500 fine. The state recommends community supervision. There is the VIP panel, ignition interlock for half the term, and a 2-year driver's license suspension. Did you understand that to be the plea?
yes,
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled Waiver of Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places, Mr. Zavala?
yes,
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
yes,
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Did you review outside the agreement? The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 7 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution, 10 days house arrest in lieu of 10 days in the Bexar County Jail. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
yes,
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
no contest.
State, any evidence?
Your Honor, I offer State's Exhibit 1 in the attachments.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Waiver and Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulation with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes,
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
yes,
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
yes,
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, and the court will review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor, we waive PSI.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, I do follow the recommendation.
All right. Court will sentence you to 7 years in the prison, suspended and probated for 7 years. There's a $500 fine that will be probated. Victim impact panel, DWI intervention, DWI education, ignition interlock for half the term. I'm sorry, I started talking fast. 2 years driver's license suspension, 10 days in the Bexar County Jail as a condition of probation, 120 hours of community service restitution, TAP evaluation in custody, follow recs, regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular UAs. If deported, no illegal reentry into the United States. If he's not deported, then I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. And then it will be at probation's discretion. Proof of employment within 30 days. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Probation, is there anything else?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Nothing else.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right. And do a gang evaluation, probation. All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes.
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right, good luck to you. Thank you, counsel.
Thank you, Judge. This is your-
All right, who is here on Jose Sanchez? Are you all ready?
I think we're still referring on that.
Okay. All right, just let me know when you're all ready.
Yes, ma'am.
In today's courtroom hearing, presided over by Stephanie Boyd, a serious case unfolded involving a third time. DWI offender facing life-changing consequences. The defendant, Jose Diego Amescus Zavala, a non-U.S. citizen, was charged with driving while intoxicated, third or more, a third-degree felony under Texas law. With the assistance of a Spanish interpreter and his legal team, Zavala entered a no-contest plea before the court. During the hearing, he pleaded for probation, hoping to avoid prison time and remain in the United States. However, the stakes were much higher than just a state sentence, because this was his third felony DWI offense. Federal immigration consequences were unavoidable. Judge Boyd sentenced him to 7 years in prison. However, the sentence was suspended, and he was placed on 7 years of probation instead. While this may have seemed like a second chance, the reality was far more serious. His defense and immigration attorneys confirmed that this felony conviction makes him automatically deportable under federal law. The judge made it explicitly clear, if he is deported, he must not attempt to illegally re-enter the United States. Any illegal return would result in even more severe legal consequences. As part of his probation conditions, Zavala must serve 10 days in county jail, complete 120 hours of community service, pay a $500 fine, and face a 2-year driver's license suspension. Additionally, he is permanently barred from working as a home, healthcare provider, or in any job involving minors. This case highlights the serious consequences of repeat DWI offenses especially for non-citizens, where criminal penalties and immigration law intersect. The court's message was clear. Repeated violations will not be taken lightly.